We're talking about this matter, wonderful palaver we happen for place where they call say forever pong de bois for this. So a small inspector of police, Feze Hilary, 89 make the no capture image them, station aims na my name this take for the side after we commissaire on to me shoot image with some bar, hold two small girl picking for 8 years, same the socky doctor so yeah, and give them money country people. They must talk about basic quarter. A two chef de fight Kate Poto for Beseke Dame, chef for Bonasama and chef for Beseke. They open fight today. Pass mark them broke house, broke moto. What they una about fire for Bay Panda Day. What they una too about this. Woman way die way master don't give divorce later country people them. Yes, for that side for Makepe back lycée. Na electric pole fall wote una too. About 9 years old Pekin with wrong killing for loom day cut Dr. Soya for day and then he Pekin with the maltreat them. Then we go Ezeka to talk about what happened for the country people them. And the tone a big salute. S1 na Pigeon TV News, Equinox Television to read it. When I come good again, country people, start with same story for today. Same story for today. Chinda, where the worker with the chief. If he no work plenty, he go chop plenty. Same story for today. Chinda, where the worker with the chief. If he no work plenty, he go chop plenty. Same story for today. Chinda, where the worker with the chief. If he no work plenty, he go chop plenty. Thank you plenty for this one as I talk about them. So on a video talking to the matter. Thank you na plenty from all the sites them. We not doing enough when I talk so with him. Quartier Beseke, yes, Porto Quartier Porto for Beseke quarter day for Bonaberry. Wait happen. This na chief yes man policy chef Ejange for Bonasama. Chief for Bonasama quarter day. He don't come out go with him moto for Porto quarter day for some house where so chef Same for Beseke don't build them. Trouble for that palaban ground for this with the whole fight for the beat chef Ejanges with the broker windscreen publish for Imoto. It can happen now. They carry the palawa go for briquette there for Bonasama. And they will all the youth them. Yes, population come out Bonasama. Go that side for Beseke said go finish all house Chakra outing beat chief chef Esame, chef Same too for that side. What can happen today? Don't broke part of the house. Chakra part of the house for that side. The trouble, the tension, since this morning time, so they can reach now. And from day two, they go forever. It happen forever for Pong de Bois, Pong a Bois for this country people. Them that is matter with some bar. Don't hold some two small girl picking them for 8 years. Give pay them 100 francs. Made they suck a doctor so yeah for that side. Wonderful kind pedophilia for this country people. Them so they hour this will happen now. Mukube Robert the film man for talk Pigeon News which happen. So commissioner don't accept me the film man. That small inspector of police, small inspector Feze Hilary deny for the whole have front commissioner to show his name. Say I name this take and do it if you do for that saying say this matter too. And then now year after say this wrong cash to the traffic gone with like the other man where they for back gata now so for that side they for Jamie for this country people the chapter and the problem it for commissariat central for place where they call and say Bonabeg in a central number 3 country people them. Now Popo Helele. For Bepanda Day, Bepanda Rose Croix, after Bepanda Double Ballas, you go down for Peuple Day. Now, fire finish house of Massacam de Maurice for this whole nation. They talk about this matter. I said this big compound, wonderful palaver. 30 in a latte with the cut. That will latte cut country people then. Latte cut, for that's why we don't cut ice, so we don't cut latte. Wait here happen now for the BC. Oh man, just start now for sleep yesterday for evening time. One time, latte come back with a big throne. As he come back, so one way they be done, put this thing for cable for electricity. A catch fire, so just burn all that Calabout house. 5 room, 1 parlor, altogether 6 days. The whole family turned SDF sound domicile fixed day. How a neighbor they struggle for quench fire country people them. Neighbor they do the whole chain say for the same Sansan, left and right for this. So we have a quench fire, water and Sansan, all judges go. Anyhow, for them try struggle. Sapé pompier the one come now. One time where they should don't finish quench fire, they block them. A place where they call them say they should double balde. They them say they turn their motor go if they don't want anything will happen for that side. They for they meet them for that side for this place where 4 people be die for place where they call them for this series kind of for IPA for back Makepe Misoke din. If they don't want me the team meet up them 2 minutes try to just go back for the country people the wonderful matter. So you see, as per the struggle now for quench fire with Sansan and even water as if you do struggle if you do the whole house bonds to take money born inside the house past 1.5 million francs. Then Kaku then too beg certificate for picking them. All thing for their country. People then just go for fire some kind of way as soon as they get time when they talk about them for this issue them for your country people they will talk about this later for divorce we make woman don't die for acquire country people them the man carry a woman from inside motor bring them for office can live on front office 80 happen after they be saying they don't leave the woman now he and he they talk bye say they say pray go for any man go for your own work country people them as the thing they talk about them what it can happen be saying master don't go back now, go meet up could see this people they work at divide later then. Give later now, it come back the man can give a woman for office. The woman open the letter, read the letter, when a letter of divorce with man until his married don't finish, the woman fall on top of the table and mouse to beat. It die for this. So a colleague they don't come 30 minutes after can open the office, see how we don't fall on top table, just lie for day. Wait to happen, they take that letter for a corner, call a master with time, a master too. They don't fall now for inside unconsciousness. It's a wonderful matter when it take place. So we'll give you all the details. And the name they want to know when I wait for you. So inside Pigeon TV News, una must trust me for this matter, country people. Them. Now, Popo, hello. Makepe for that side day for petit, Makepe petit pays country people. Them. Wait happen for back lycée de Makepe. Where this high tension pole them falls to almost one finished people in this. They say Paul, they don't fall Jengu. Yes. Look at them. If you don't rot in pass mark country people them. Wonderful country will carry cable them pass mark for them. And for Kona day, some huge building. They will wait here when we just finish and finish and quarter for the country people. As they talk about them, say so woman be with a small girl picking way come out to school. And that woman a call box is one for them. Wait it can happen for the ought to just fall for Jack Kona so just shift for the call box commodity. And so then all man just the hala say so Tori for Bachi for those people that's get time say this can issue anti the palabra. So look and wonderful can wonder men. Wonder shall never end as yes, so they talk about them for all this issue. We just fall so wait for finish and quarter like how we finish with them for Makepe. Make so okay for the so country people them how a team will take place. Now so the thing to happen all man just wonder now say they suppose they rotten for that kind of level then the fall so look as the thing go happen on top of this call box now for here Dan got to save them for this to make the worst one not happen for them for that issue. All man now they struggle to see how we go do it, how we go try now for dodge the place if current no for that cable. Dan got as a cut so fall the whole that part no get latest to take arrangement now as I talk for now. So one person will be eyewitness for the talk for microphone for a police staff Ajax de Bunateki. Una yetin way a talk.
So it happened when I say I become a technician, I become a context on my tools. As I stay for the area, I see electrical. I see they make a small fire on top of the electrical. The time pass after a year the pole. A year as I make crack, it will be broke. That time me I start I run there after I top of back. The photo, the first one don't broke, it take the second one, keep balance up so. Me too I try after. So small be the pass. If you look in and say, tie aside the hala, you to run. They look so second the thing for focus so picking. So get to a there for call box. But aside one for the inside call box, aside for so you to come on inside for call box for window. If try for survive, see the silver for on top biscuit.
You don't try. So that's why they for Loom country people them some story they way Oscar the Loom try forgive we but not get them complete. See they so catching go for Loom, they don't kill meet us some small 9 years old picking with don't kill if they move all the doctors so you cut all the sexual organs. We'll surely come back for that one. We'll get the full information from Oscar the Loom this country people them. All this kind of wonders really happen inside school them. So now Popo Lily. This one will come back for this matter will be take place. So say this so Commissariat Central for Lock Papa number 2. Don't still continue for the Hamba this family, Papa and Mommy for picking with a big time so country people don't see. I say now the woman in this way they struggle for that side now to talk about and now you see that their mommy and the mommy for the beginning and the papa to that. Now them beat their picking sute, beat the picking sute, from 5 o'clock for morning time, look them. 5 o'clock for morning time, beat picking for that level, stay picking there for hospital inside this matter them to control to them. Can we and can issue for the as here they talk about them for this kind 8 months. Look and see. People they beat with that picking from that and then into beat they are picking for that kind of level so country people inside this kind matter stay from 5 o'clock in the na the papa that na mami that for corner too una beat una picking for some kind level so now don't catch the day now for commissariat for Lock Baba Day commissariat central number 2 for Lock Baba Day beat they are picking so wonderful kind matter picking Mr. Bontos to can cicatrism for skin. Can't look at the picking this. Can't picking for 5 years. We skin the let's not catch away so like saying the chop at all. It be the same like how we share this wonderful kind of matter. So look to where it can take place. Look skin for picking for 5 years. We don't beat from 5 o'clock for morning time till 9 o'clock and that's what they beat all cicatrices there for skin. Can't wait so for the country people then look as it happen. Can't matter them when they beat picking look cicatrices for picking skin. Mark how they beat picking. So for papa and Mamina then to the pity so for the population now vex come up for the carry the picking go down for hospital carry the man and the woman go down for commissariat central number 2 for Lock Baba Day so country people them wonderful kind in the machine as happen as chef service social for commissariat central Lock Baba that inside this shoot them for yet so country you'll be the same like that case where they beat picking for Grand Moulin this so for Ivy Coiffude beat on stage Sherman a one day they come vex for this si other woman pass max to put medicine for the picking skin too. We go for Ezekiel. Now heavy rain we don't fall to move all head house for Ezekiel day. Wonderful kind matter. Jean Eyango make we get them that one nice. They talk about the matter and I saw the thing be happen. I say rain will fall. That heavy rain fall day before you say cut cable there for latrine. Cut in them head house they just the woke up the fall Jengu. Woke up fall Jengu country people there. Can't matter for the all man, just wonderful. They say all thing just when we all hate house so as we see. I said carpenter them sharpened and chop small dough. They live now for said the matter so wonderful kind thing them. Inside one kind so they say the matter for them can't thing them for that site as thing happens so the way they talk say rain, heavy rain and tornado. And say we holla for that site say oh man under bed. Enter na under bed one time for this. A country, people them. So people them now they be forced to carry their car with them. Vamoose for them because change house or go find different house places they'll put their car with them. So they even market too. See, even market for Ezekiel to out in head house and just vamoose na vamoose. Where all man just the workers say, that's what thing happen. May yourself for Ezekiel they can look at for situation if it take place that kind of way. They try to explain, say this we don't bat. Don't back this country people them as na get na solution come happen for the canker house old house or new house outing just for the head house you come out plenty pass mark day we go for Ebolova now wait it happen for Ebolova day na chapter for accident for security panneau de signalisation no day country people them wonderful can matter the nation look at accident thank God in a pick up for say let me say now they don't finish Ben Skinner State Chakra the motorcycle. And for years, no man know who gave a pass, who no give a pass. Now for Carter administrative system for place where you look at that place now delegation regional for this security that too and communication. So now for day that's for Commissariat Central for Ebola over there. Yes, you know over far from Carrefour Tamuzi. See people they talk about them. And panel de signalisation no dey at all about for all this kind of issue dem wey dey talk about am. The one wey dey sef, e don white today, e clean like head for Madu Dibango. As una fit hear dey talk about am for this kind of issue and matter dem for years so country. People dey all man dey exclaim as say no fine at all. It is not supposed to be the way it happen with all this kind signboard the way no dey for control traffic them for show how person go for go, how a person no get for or go for big so country people them. We come now show this one for this papa we define a picking them. Say this kind of issue so country people them. Yes, we talk about this power we define them. You see Evina Biwole Etienne, he define a picking the way they call them Sewiti, Mesiga, Evina, and Tongo, Hippolyte. Messinga, Evina, and Tongo, Hippolyte. So the papa define them country people. Let me try call this number. Yes, 3343944. 3343944. Monsieur Papa, Monsieur Evina Biwole Etienne est à la recherche de ses deux enfants au nom de Messiga Evina et puis Tongo Hippolyte. Si vous en cas de rencontre avec ces deux enfants qui sont recherchés par leur papa, il faut appeler Equinox au 33 43 94 74 33 43 94 74 country people them. That's all the end for today, country people. Them you believe Ajax the Bonateki, Mokube, Hopet, and then that information into we'll gather on phone now. It is very speedy for technical side, the country people. Them will get to this person in column. See this one now. Innocent, I pick a doctor with director for we for all this matter and two if you see my back, maybe see the lady front. Bye bye.